Hey lovelies, if you want to see how I made these braids with this realistic human hair curls, if this is something you definitely want to learn, why not stick around and watch this video to the very end.
The feeling behind my eyes, you stood out cause you were in red.
Welcome lovelies, you're most welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made this braided wig from start to finish. And yes, I already had my closure sewed down. I have a video that explains how you can add closures to a wig cap, so you can just check it out. And yes, this closure was made with braid extension, and I've had it for like a long time. I actually used it to make a braided wig, and this is over like a year or two, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna post the screenshot so that I can see the exact video and also see how I made the closure from start to finish. So yes, you just want to grab your preferred color of a braid, and then I'm just gonna weave it all the way through like so. So now while you're weaving this, you want to make sure that you leave as much required space as necessary, just so that the braided wig will not be very heavy and weighty, if I must say. So you just need to make sure that that you leave as much required space as necessary. So this is basically what I am gonna be doing, braiding it all the way through. And yes, if you want to see how I was able to achieve that realistic human hair like kind of coils, just keep watching this video and do not miss anything, so that you don't miss out an important detail that I'm gonna be sharing with you in this video. So this is basically what I was doing until I got to the very top. And yes, I had a method for closing the part where the closure is sewn down to the wig. So don't go anywhere, watch this video to the end. And yes, thank you so much, thank you lovelies, my amazing 16,000 plus subscribers. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for watching my videos. You're so amazing, like I cannot thank you enough. Thank you so much. And if you like what you're seeing already, why not give this video a huge thumbs up? This helps this video to actually get to a required number of people that might find this video very useful. So give that video a huge thumbs up right now, okay lovelies? So this is basically what you're gonna be doing. So just watch this video so that you can basically understand how it was done from start to finish.
Feeling behind my eyes, you stood out cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. Whiteout skies, middle November, you and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
So guys, the amazing part about this closure is the fact that I've had it for a long time, and it is synthetic. Like I said, it was made with braiding hair, and it is still looking very on point. So yes, you can actually have closures that are synthetic, made with braid extension, and just use it basically for just braiding, and it will still give you the same results as human hair. So this is just me showing you how I did this front part. I just used the knotless kind of method for this part. So this is basically what I was doing until I was done. So yes, for the method of that realistic human hair kind of look, I didn't want the whole regular coils at the down part and then just having that pronounced coils. No, I wanted something that had this water coils, like this boho kind of braids. But the only difference about this is the fact that we only have the coils at the tip of the braid. So I just wanted something that looked more like human hair. So I'm gonna be showing you how I was able to achieve that. So just keep on watching this video.
You will be close. I will wait as long as it's for you. Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. You in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least it's still.
So now that we are done with this braided wig, I'm just trimming it all the way. You know, we need to have that very clean finish of the wig. We don't want to leave it all you know, looking all bushy with the fly-offs or flyovers coming out. So you want to trim that. And yes, moving on to the method that I use to achieve the curls, just like you saw from the start of the video. So the first thing you want to do is to grab your rubber band and just part the braided wig into two, like so. From the back portion, yeah, just part it into two like so. So when you are done parting into two, you're also going to divide one portion into two, and then you're just going to weave it like so. So you're gonna weave this all the way for the first and the second. So in total we're having about four braids. So when you're done weaving this, the next thing you want to do is to grab all of them together, and then you take your thread and then you just tie it all the way. And I'm gonna coil it like so, and then just push it upwards to give me that kind of curls that you saw from the start of the video. I know most of you would have been wondering that I added human hair. No, I didn't add human hair to this, and it was looking as though I added human hair. So that's just a trick to achieve that kind of curls. And as you all know, most of my videos I always use this olive oil because the results are always totally amazing. So for the first water, I used a very hot water because I want the curls to be very pronounced on this tip. And then I added a bit of cold water because I had a bad experience with my first braiding wig. The water was so very hot and it actually damaged the wig. So this is how it's looking like. And from this, the braid wig was not totally dry because this is basically, I was totally satisfied with how the curls were coming out, so there was no point leaving it for a long time to dry on its own. So I just took it out like so, and then you have that perfect water coils, like as though you added some human hair to the ends of it. So when I'm done bringing this out like so, I'm just gonna add my mousse. What is a braided wig without adding a mousse? Definitely you need to add some mousse to this and some shine. You know what I'm talking about. So this is basically what I did for the braided wig, and yes, it was coming out lovely and beautiful. I'm sure you want to see how this is looking like on my hair, so just keep on watching this video. So guys, this is how the hair is looking. Very beautiful, and you know, having given us that realistic human hair watercolors. Let me know what you think about this video. Is it given? In the comment section, and then let me know where you're watching this video from. Are you in Nigeria, US, UK? Let me know in the comment section. So lovelies, I'm gonna show you how this hair is slaying on my hair, so just keep on watching and let me know what you think about this video. So down to installing this on my hair, it was pretty easy. It's very glueless. You don't need to add any glue at all. Just put it on your hair. And the amazing thing about this closure is the fact that it is not just a regular 4x4 closure. This closure is actually like 5x5, you know, and the fact that I can actually, you know, slay it in different styles, middle and side pattern, it was totally giving. Let me know what you think about this wig. Is it something you're gonna be trying out? Let me know about that in the comment section. And guess what, lovelies, I have an amazing video that is coming up very soon. I'm gonna be showing you all how to make boho braids using Brazilian wig. So don't go anywhere, kindly stick to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, lovelies.